How to change language on Spotify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how easy it is to change the language on your Spotify application. So first of all, just to let you know, there's no option in the Spotify application to change the language. But if you want to change your Spotify language, you have to change your device's language first. So to do that, all you guys need to do is to tap on your phone settings, and after that, tap on the search bar and simply search in for language. And then you guys tap on language and region. And as you can see, my device's language is on English. So now if you want to change your Spotify app language to whatever language you want, all you guys need to do is to tap and add language and then select the language that you want. Then after that, you can open up your Spotify app and it will also be the language that you've already selected on your device. So guys, that is how easy to change your language on your Spotify. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel. That will be much appreciated. Thank you for watching and see you next time.